Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone notification sounds are not working after updating to iOS 17. So guys, it can be frustrating when notification sound stop working. If you're also facing this issue, so guys don't worry. I will tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to check your ring silent switch. Make sure the ring silent switch on the side of your iPhone is not set to silent. When it's set, it's in silent. So you have to make sure that it's not in silent and is disabled. After this, then you have to do is adjust volume settings. Check the volume settings on your iPhone. Press the volume buttons on the side of your device and check if the volume are on the high or not. After this, then you have to check do not disturb. Ensure that the do not disturb mode is not activated. You can check and disable it by going to your control center and you can see your option do not disturb. If it's unable, consider it disabling it. After checking these three and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple start can often fix minor issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. Restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to do is check silent mode and vibration. If your iPhone is set to silent mode but the vibration enabled, you may not hear the sound. Check the ring sets and adjust accordingly. To do this, simply have to go back and then tap on accessibility, then tap on this then tap on touch. Scroll down and you can see here option vibration. If it's disabled, we have to enable it. After this, if you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Insecure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Apple may release update to fix bugs and improve system stability. So you have to go to your general and tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do is your reset all settings. Insecure reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, simply you have to go to your general, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.